गाइज वेलकम टू माई चैनल। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। सो जैसे कि हम सबको पता है फेस्टिवल्स एंड वेडिंग का सीजन ऑलमोस्ट आ ही गया है। आज मैं इस वीडियो में आपको ऐसे 5 आउटफिट्स सिखाऊंगी जो आप इजीली पेयर अप कर सकते हैं किसी भी वेडिंग फंक्शंस और फेस्टिवल पर। सो इफ यू वांट टू नो व्हाट ऑल दीज आउटफिट्स आर देन कीप ऑन वॉचिंग। स्टार्टिंग ऑन विद द फर्स्ट आउटफिट इज अ क्रॉप टॉप एंड अ शरारा सेट। सो दिस इज हाउ द क्रॉप टॉप लुक्स लाइक and it comes with a matching sharara pants. These are the wide leg sharara pants, and this set I got from India. Now I will show you how it looks. So guys, this is how this outfit looks. I'm wearing this crop top with matching sharara, and just to complete the overall look, I'm wearing this golden dupatta which exactly matches with this embroidery, and I'm wearing my golden jewelry and my golden sandals. Wear this outfit on your Diwali puja or even on any weddings because this is a dark color and it will look really great in the evening. On to the second outfit, which is this ruffled sari skirt from India. I got this in size medium. So this is basically a draped skirt and it has like an attached pallu with it. So it will give you a feeling that you are wearing a sari, but actually this is a skirt. So now I will show you how I paired this outfit. Guys, this is how this sari skirt looks like. I have paired this sari skirt with my crop top, which is from Zara. This is the overall look of the dress. Since the color of this dress and the pattern of this dress is very fresh and summery, you can definitely pair this kind of outfit on any of your day event like haldi ceremony, even on any day puja. Now moving on to the third outfit, which is this brocade skirt that I got custom made from a tailor. So this is basically a lehenga skirt in pink color and brocade fabric. I will pair this skirt with a crop top. This is how the crop top looks like. This is a one shoulder top. Shoulder has like a long sleeve. So this will give you an illusion of a dupatta. Pair this and show you how it looks. So this is how the outfit looks like. This is a one shoulder choli and another shoulder has this dupatta sleeves. And this is how the skirt looks like. This is a brocade skirt. And actually the fabric of the skirt is brocade, which look extremely rich and expensive. You can easily pair this outfit for any of your wedding functions and you will look great. For the accessories part, I am wearing my golden layered chain with my golden watch, golden rings, and I have paired my golden slippers with it. On to the fourth outfit, which is this chikankari kurta, and you can easily pair this type of kurta with your jeans, with your trousers, or with palazzo pants. So this type of kurta is very good for those people who don't want to dress up too much but still want to wear Indian. So you can wear this type of chikankari kurta. Now I will show you how I pair up this kurta. So this is how the outfit looks. I'm wearing this kurta with my black palazzo pants, and for jewelry I'm wearing my rose gold chain, my rose gold rings, and my watch. This kind of kurtas gives a very young and a very fresh look. To go with a comfortable look, then these type of kurtas are best for you. You can look Indian, you can look festive, and at the same time you are at your comfort. So for the fifth outfit, I have curated a Indo-Western look in black color. So I will pair this black crop top with a black trouser and complete the look with this black dupatta. So I will show you how it looks. This is how the fifth and the last outfit looks like. This is the Indo-Western look, so I'm pairing this crop top with my trousers and I am using this dupatta as a cover up on the outfit to complete it. So this is the overall look. complete the overall look, I'm wearing this oxidized silver chunky necklace along with this silver bangles. And you can wear this type of outfit for your cards party, even for any cocktail look. Guys, this was all about this outfits video. I hope you have got some inspiration from these outfits. And ये सारे outfits ऐसे हैं जो आप easily कहीं पे भी पेयर कर सकते हो and easily इनको mix and match करके भी pair up कर सकते हो. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and follow me on Instagram. Meet you in my next video. Thanks for watching.